Hello, friends. Today, you will continue to learn about animals. This week, you will focus on zoo animals. Have you ever been to a zoo? What animals did you see at the zoo? Today, we are going to read a book called How Do Animals Use Their Mouths? How Do Animals Use Their Mouths? By Lynn Stone. Animals use their mouths for many things. A bear uses its mouth to catch a fish. A panda uses its mouth to eat bamboo. A snake uses its mouth to eat a rat. A caterpillar uses its mouth to eat a leaf. A tiger uses its mouth to drink water. Seals use their mouths to fight. A pelican uses its mouth to feed its chick. A lion uses its mouth to carry its cub. Animals can do many things with their mouths. Now, I would like for you to draw a picture of two of the animals you read about in this book and compare their attributes. What did their mouths look like? How are they the same? How are they different? When you are done drawing your picture of two of the animals we just read about, take a picture and send it to me through Class Dojo. Thanks.